In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Anydesk in Linux step by step using the official website so you can get the correct version safely and quickly. This is a simple process, but I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Linux or just installing Anydesk for the first time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Linux computer. You can use whatever browser you already have installed, such as Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type Anydesk. Then press enter and look for the official Anydesk website in the search results. It's important to click the official website so you know you're downloading the safe and legitimate version of the software. After the official page opens, look for the downloads option on the site and click it. This will take you to the page where Anydesk provides all of its available downloads for different operating systems. Now scroll down the downloads page until you find the Linux section. Since we're installing on Linux, this is the version you want to choose. Once you see the Linux download area, click Download Now. Your browser will begin downloading the Anydesk package for Linux. Depending on your browser and your system settings, the file may download automatically to your Downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose a location. Just let the download finish, and then you'll have the Anydesk installer ready to use on your Linux device. So, to quickly recap, you opened a browser, searched for Anydesk, clicked the official website, opened Downloads, scrolled down to Linux, and clicked Download Now. That's all it takes to get the official Anydesk download on Linux. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.